Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Me and Ray are about to head to the gym. You doing lower body?
Yeah.
Is it a heavy day?
Yes, I don't know what I'm just going to go lift some weights, honestly.
Alright. Don't expect too much. He's been crying all day, so it's probably gonna be light. We'll see. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get there.
You should do like a behind the scenes video.
That's what this is.
Stop fucking recording me!
He camera shy, sorry. He camera shy. You gonna hit the puncher bag today?
No, that's not what I'm here for.
What you here for? That man's scared, boy. He ain't trying to get better. He ain't trying to get better.
Yeah, cause get me better at, cause hitting a punch bag will get me better at football.
Yes, it will. You play corner. What are you talking about? That directly translates to cornerback. Punching a punching bag. You gotta be able to shoot your hands. You gotta be able to offhand stab. All that. Exactly.
But that punch bag isn't moving.
Neither is a receiver before the ball snap.
I don't punch him before the ball snaps either.
But you gotta punch him as soon as the ball snap. Ah, yeah, just like that, quick. Oh shit, there's people in here. Bro, this man in here stalled. We've been in here for like 10 minutes, he ain't even started yet. Not even a real squat machine, bro. Ain't even no real squat machine. Smith.
I gotta think of an alternative to do for leg extension. You know, we might have a leg extension thing. This thing weird.
That's how you gonna be, bro? That's how you gonna be?
Give me tomorrow.
What you doing tomorrow?
Chest, nigga.
This man Ray over here talking that cash. That man said he could put 400 on it and bust out 10. Sweet.
I give you like 2. Like just straight up, no like bar exercises. I give you 400 for 2, bro. Easy.
400 for 2.
Not today.
Like for
in 2 days.
In 2 days, you gonna hit 400 for 2.
I can do 400
Remember that.
for 2.
The first thing he gonna do in 2 days, he gonna come in here and hit 400 pounds for 2 on squat. On the Smith machine. Not even a squat rack.
Squat rack can be easier.
Alright, we'll see. You
But these are terrible. Cause you gotta go like you can't go straight up. You gotta like go you gotta go back.
I'm hearing a lot of excuses. That man said he about to hit 3.
I hit 4 for 2 easy.
Alright, we'll see. This man flexing.
What I got a foot for, bro? This ain't nothing but squatting. It's
you better be able to squat.
Part.
Your legs like 2 feet tall.
Exactly. This is the easiest part.
Let's do it. What you waiting on? Oh, he's stalling. That bitch stalling.
I have to recover?
Stalling.
Okay.
It's straight. It's straight. He's bashing. For a week?
Yeah, just 2 workouts. I skipped 2 leg workouts.
That's a lot when it comes to legs.
I just did it. I can feel it too.
Go. You straight now. You straight now.
Right. How many you want to do, bro?
I remember. Oh, you said 3.
2 or 3?
You said 3.
All right.
You better hit 90.
What?
90.
Do what?
90 degrees. Oh, he's stalling.
What?
Nah, he's stalling.
I didn't
All
hear
I said
you.
was hit 90 degrees.
I didn't hear you.
All I said, get parallel. Pick your parallel. No, ain't nothing to see.
Can I see?
What you gotta
see? Can I see what I did?
You squat. It was straight. It was straight.
Was that parallel?
It was straight.
Oh my
Well, it wasn't quite there yet.
He can't even.
It wasn't quite there yet. All right, we'll check it out. I'm gonna look at it and then you gonna finish. He talking about something. You got 2 more. Nah, you said you was gonna hit 3 straight.
I just said I can't come on like ain't no pump.
We gonna see.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just hit the safety ball. If not, I'm just hit the safety ball. I gotta make sure the white hat. I might need Put it up a little bit. But then you gonna say I ain't gonna parallel. Let's see how close it was to the safety ball.
It's straight, bro. Let's do it.
This is good.
You only gonna raise one?
Straight.
Three straight now, 3 straight. Talking that cash.
It was too low. It was too high.
That bitch stalling.
It was too high.
That bitch, you set yourself up. You knew that shit was gonna happen. All right, bro. This is take number 3, bro. Take number 3. He was talking that cash. We gonna see.
Easy. Come on now. Come on now, man. Come on now.
He trying to flex. He trying to flex.
Let me see it.
Boy, I got this man shook, boy. He done now. He walked.
What you want me to put on the bar for one? What you want me to put on the bar for one?
405. What's up?
Can I work my way up, bro?
Oh, okay. He just asked me and then I tell you a number and he's like, oh, let me work my way up.
Alright, I'll put it on.
It's straight, bro. Deal work out.
Nah, put it on.
It's straight.
Nah, bro, I'm putting it on.
Alright.
Worst thing that happened, I just don't get it straight.
Alright. You gotta need another 45? Or you out?
I got 30, put a 35 in the tip. Hold on, you got them. Wait, cool down. This shit going right on Twitter, nigga.
Alright, bet.
If I get it. Nigga just 4 or 5 fail.
Alright, here we go, bro. 405 for one. Talking that cash. Let's see.
I know how to get my adrenaline pumping.
Bro, you gonna shoot up?
That bitch was happening, Jerry.
What?
That bitch was happening.
I didn't even know what you was talking about until you put it back down. You just gotta hit it one time. You only gotta go parallel. How about that?
Cheers. When it came off, I knew. At that moment, I knew. I knew,
I'll
bro.
spot you. What's up?
All right, tripod it.
All right. Oh, that bitch stuck. Oh, he got stuck.
Nigga.
He got stuck.
You
ain't even tried.
I didn't get stuck, nigga. On my way down, nigga.
I was about to help you. I was gonna help you back up.
No, I couldn't stop.
Oh my god.
I couldn't stop the wait for balling, nigga.
This dude was talking that cash, boy. Remember, he said he could get it one.
I said in 2 days. I've been said in 2 days.
All right, but you accepted my challenge. He did accept my challenge.
I said 2 days. Come on now. I did a whole workout before he wanted me to do this.
Whatever. Oh, now you want to make the excuses, but he was willingly accepting my challenge before. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video.
All right,
he tried to do 405.
This will see. It was at the end of my workout.
Oh, okay.
But I'll be back. I'm closing it out today.